Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors, yet with another Corvette. We just picked this one up from its previous owner. It was garage kept for the last 4 years since he's owned it. As you can see, it is that gorgeous Monterey Red. This is one beautiful color. I don't think that it's going to show up properly in the video, but we're going to give it our best. As you can see, the headlights are in great shape. They're not all faded out, which shows that it was a garage kept car. Looks to be all original paint. It has a clean history report on it. Very little to no wear on this front bumper. You see that little scratch there on the bottom, but no major road rash of any sort. Really clean. And of course, the front plate bracket, that is removable, so it's screwed in from the bottom there, so you won't see any kind of holes or anything like that in the bumper if you choose not to run, or if you have a state that doesn't run a front tag. Michelin tires on it all the way around. They're in really good shape. Lots of tread, no cracking. They are date stamped from 2018, so they're 8 years old, but again, garage kept. All four of the wheels are perfect. No curb rash on them. Now this is a base model. This is a 1LT, so we don't have a lot of the options like the heads-up display and the heated seats, but it does have dual climate control, and then the stereo has been upgraded, and as you can see here, we've got the backup camera. Now this also has a really good sounding Flowmaster axle back exhaust on it. And it has I believe it's an AFM intake on it. And those are the only two aftermarket parts aside from the radio. But again here, no curb damage. No rock chips on the mirror. This thing's tight. Painted roof. Of course, this is the targa that removes from this line to the windshield and across, and it has a spot in the trunk where you can store it so it doesn't bounce around on you. Super clean interior. I guess I should have mentioned early on, this is a 2007 with only 50,000 miles on it. Miles are excellent. We also just had the harmonic balancer and bolt replaced on it. Late model domestics in Virginia Beach handles that for us. We actually have two LS2 C6s at the moment, and both of them were factory and wobbling just a little bit, so we went ahead and took care of that. This daggone thing has an EVAP code, so I'm gonna make sure that's taken care of. I'm just not gonna start this video over. So dual climate control, AC is super cold. Exhaust sounds really good, and it doesn't have a terrible drone to it neither. When you're going down the interstate, it's actually comfortable, and you can speak to your passenger or on a telephone, if you will. Oh yeah, and Bluetooth radio, so that's a good upgrade. But as you see, there's no wear in that passenger seat, and very minimal on this driver's seat edge right here. That's it. But of course, automatic, and this one does have the paddle shifters, so that's nice. Not all of them did. There's a ton of space in the trunk, and you've got your little extra storage compartments underneath here. And then that top, when you take it off, it rests in these corners here, and so you can still put cargo underneath of it. Skinny cargo, but you can still put cargo under it. This is our LS2, and see, yeah, the AFE, not AFM. And I'm gonna show you. Here we go. solid bouncer. No more question of that being a problem. So this is it. This is our latest 2007 with 50,000 miles on it, right here at Holiday Motors. Been right here on Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia since 1974. And as you can see, we do mess with a lot of Corvettes. It's kind of been our thing for a long time. But if you're looking for a nice one, this is it. We can help arrange for financing, shipping and delivery, and also top dollar for your trades. So give us a call today. Let us know how we can earn your business. We appreciate you watching and look forward to hearing from you.